Shopping on a shoestring, mastering budget-friendly purchases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very useful phrase for all English learners, shopping on a shoestring. This expression is not only colorful but also packed with cultural and practical implications. If you've ever wondered how to talk about budgeting or saving money while shopping in English, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of shopping on a shoestring together. Shopping on a shoestring refers to buying what you need while sticking to a very tight budget. Imagine having just a shoestring to your name and still managing to purchase your essentials. It's all about making the most of limited financial resources. This phrase is often used to discuss strategies for frugal living or to describe a period of life when one has to be particularly careful with expenses. The term, on a shoestring, has a fascinating history. It's believed to date back to the late 19th or early 20th century. Initially, it might have referred to the small amount of money that could be carried tied in one's shoelaces, indicating a lack of wealth. Over time, it evolved to symbolize any endeavor done with minimal financial resources, from traveling on a shoestring to shopping on a shoestring. For those looking to embrace this approach, here are some practical tips. Create a budget. Know your financial limits and stick to them. List essentials. Prioritize necessities over luxuries. Compare prices. Always look for the best deals and discounts. Use coupons. Don't underestimate the power of saving a few cents here and there. Buy secondhand. Some items can be purchased used at a fraction of their original price. Understanding phrases like shopping on a shoestring is not just about language learning. It's about gaining insights into the cultures where English is spoken. This expression reflects values of thriftiness, resourcefulness, and the importance of financial management in many English-speaking communities. And that's a wrap on shopping on a shoestring. We hope this video has shed some light on how to navigate shopping with limited funds and enriched your English vocabulary along the way. Remember, mastering a language is not just about words, it's about understanding the life and culture that those words represent. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.